Welcome to Aksharashala. In this session, we will discuss the expression for the frequency of oscillation of an astable multivibrator and the astable multivibrator as a voltage to frequency converter, and at the end the operation of emitter coupled astable multivibrator. This figure represents the astable multivibrator, collector coupled astable multivibrator used as a voltage to frequency converter. The frequency can be varied by varying the magnitude of an additional voltage source V. Now the supply voltage is VCC only, but the voltage level to which these coupling capacitors C1 and C2 try to charge is not VCC now, but they are charged to a maximum voltage of this V. Why? Because these two coupling charges are connected to a auxiliary voltage source V instead of VCC. For the interval 0 to T1, this interval Q1 is off, Q2 is on. From the base waveform of transistor Q1. Why? Because transistor Q1 is in off state, no? From the, so this is a base voltage of transistor Q1 is shown here, is shown in this figure. The voltage at the base of Q1 is given by, so if in this interval, so it is exponentially rising with a time constant tau1 equivalent to R1C1. So here its initial voltage is VB sat minus I2RC, where I2RC is given by VCC minus VC sat. Its final voltage is V. Substitute all these values in this basic equation. You get VB1 equivalent to VF equivalent to final voltage V, VF V only, Vin equivalent to VB sat minus I2 RC. Again I2 RC is given by VCC minus VC sat. In this equation I2 RC is replaced by this expression. Now we get VB1 equivalent V, as it is you can write V minus again V minus VB sat in place of I2 RC write VCC minus VC sat into e power minus t by tau 1. Now rearrange this equation, you will get V minus of bracket V plus VCC minus VB sat plus VC sat into e power minus t by tau 1. Now at t equivalent to capital T1, VB1 equivalent to how much? V gamma. At small t equivalent to capital T1, VB1 equivalent to V gamma. Substitute this value in place of VB1 at small t equivalent to capital T1. Tau 1 is given by R1 C1. So tau 1 is replaced by R1 C1 log 1 plus VCC by V. So this is expression for T1. Similarly, considering the waveform at the base of transistor Q2, which is shown here in this figure, you will get expression for T2 also. Now we derived expression for T1 now. In this similar procedure you can apply to get the expression for T2, and you will get T2 equivalent to R2C2 log 1 plus VCC by V. Here tau 2 it is increasing, exponentially increasing with a time constant tau 2 equivalent to R2C2, except that everything is same now. So it is similar to T1 only. So in place of R1C1, put R2C2, you will get expression for T2. Now capital T equivalent, time period capital T equivalent T1 plus T2. That equivalent R1C1 log 1 plus VCC by V plus R2C2 log 1 plus VCC by V. Therefore, the period capital T equivalent T1 plus T2, add the two expressions. In this expression, suppose if R1 equivalent R2, C1 equivalent to C2 equivalent to C, R1 equivalent R2 equivalent to R, and T1 equivalent T2 equivalent T by 2, then you will get capital T equivalent 2RC log 1 plus VCC by V. If you take reciprocal of this time period, you will get expression for frequency, that is 1 by 2 RC log 1 plus VCC by V. This shows that frequency is a function of additional voltage source V. If you want to change the frequency F, you can change V. Here frequency can be varied by varying this additional voltage. This shows that by varying V, the frequency F can be varied, and hence this circuit acts as a voltage to frequency converter. Now let us see the emitter coupled astable multivibrator. The emitter coupled astable multivibrator may be obtained by using three power supplies, VBB, VCC1 and VCC2, or you can connect these 3 points to single voltage source also. This figure shows circuit diagram of free running emitter coupled multivibrator using NPN transistors. Three power supplies are indicated for the sake of simplifying the analysis. Let us assume that the circuit operates in such a manner that Q1 switches between cutoff and saturation, and Q2 switches between cutoff and its active region only. It won't enter into saturation. That is the basic difference between collector coupled monostable astable multivibrator and emitter coupled astable multivibrator, except that everything is same as that of collector coupled astable multivibrator in principle. So these are the waveforms of emitter coupled astable multivibrator. This is the emitter voltage of emitter coupled astable multivibrator. Emitter voltage of transistor Q1. This is collector voltage of transistor Q1. This is emitter voltage of transistor Q2 and collector voltage of transistor Q2. For any queries, please contact aksharshala@gmail.com. For further updates, please subscribe to Aksharshala. Thank you.